Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in today. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel and those who have liked. It means a lot to me, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for those who are coming to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. So today, guys, I will be decluttering my fridge and scrubbing my stove. So this cleaning will take me 2 days because I've ordered my wonderful product Zwiswikis. I hope I pronounce it right, but I believe I did. So I'm gonna leave the link on my description so that you guys can check out this product. It's amazing. So here I will be decluttering my fridge, and yeah, guys, I know sometimes it's very hard to just to declutter everything. The reason why I'm decluttering is because uh some I don't know about you guys, but my kids will say, "Mom, we'll finish the food tomorrow," and tomorrow will be the next day. Then they don't finish their food. So today I'll be decluttering and cleaning my fridge. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, I'm done cleaning my fridge. I believe I've done a great job, and I believe this fridge is ready for new grocery. Yes, guys, I was using Handy Andy and Domestos to wash the fridge because of the blood. I don't like the smelling of the blood, so that's why I was using Domestos. Also, guys, this is the next day. This is my favorite product, Juswikisa. I will leave the link on my description, guys, so that you guys can check Zwiswikisa out. It's amazing. I've used this product before, so that's why I've ordered it to use for my stove because it's the best product. I would advise you guys to use this. It's amazing. You won't regret it. I will leave their phone number and everything, so guys, you can check it out, so you can see my stuff. It needed to be scrubbed so badly. you guys that I was not gonna be disappointed when I ordered Zwisukisa out. So guys, please don't forget to check out Zwisukisa out. I'll leave the link on my description box. You can just send a message to them and they will deliver to your door. Thank you so much guys for tuning in today, and thank you so much those who have subscribed and those who are coming in to subscribe. Thank you in advance guys. I love you all so much. Please don't forget to like this video. See you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.